To create a custodial account on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, usually found by tapping on the profile icon. In the Account Settings, look for the option to add a new account or create a custodial account. Select this option to begin the process. A custodial account, also known as a UTMA or UGMA account, allows you to manage investments on behalf of a miner. To create this type of account, you will need to provide the miner's social security number or tax identification number, as well as their date of birth. You will also need to provide your own information as the custodian, including your relationship to the miner and your social security number. This information is required to comply with tax and regulatory requirements. After providing the necessary information, you will be asked to fund the account. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or from an existing Robinhood account. The minimum amount required to open a custodial account may vary, so be sure to check the current requirements. Once the account is funded, you can begin investing on behalf of the miner. It is essential to keep in mind that as the custodian, you are responsible for making investment decisions, and the account is subject to the custodial rules and regulations of your state. As a best practice, it is recommended that you consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure that you are meeting all the necessary requirements and making the most of the custodial account. Additionally, be sure to review and understand the fees associated with the account, as well as any tax implications. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can create a custodial account on Robinhood and begin managing investments on behalf of a miner. Remember to always prioritize the miner's best interests and to comply with all applicable laws and regulations.